Hey, what's up everyone? Hopefully everyone's doing well. I just filled up my tank. I feel like going for a drive right now. It's 70 degrees out here in Connecticut. And I haven't driven this car since my buddy Josh put the control arms and the toes on for me. Actually not my buddy Josh, I apologize. My buddy Derek, about 2 weeks ago. He installed them and the alignment was so freaking out of whack that I was so nervous driving home from his little shop there. He works with his father, and he just uses the shop to do installs on his Subaru. So it was very nice of Derek to do something for me, help me out here. So yeah, like I said, it was the alignment was so out of whack. I was like shifting left and right depending on what kind of pothole or little divots I hit in the road. It was just nerve-wracking to me because I was afraid I'm gonna like lose a bolt or something like that, and the whole back end just gets destroyed and it's on the ground like behind me. But I feel like just taking a cruise today. I got the Torque Solution rear adjustment toes and control arms, along with I already have Whiteline products in the back end too. If you hear things bouncing around, the stuff's in my trunk, the old arms and toes. I'm trying to sell the old parts because I don't need them anymore since I got these new ones. But yeah, so if you hear stuff rattling around, it's the parts back there. So I feel like just taking a drive throughout Connecticut. I got nothing else to do. Been playing Call of Duty a lot on the PC. Well, that's all I have is a PC, stuff like that. So probably get out of the house. I'll probably put the AC on because it's like 71 out right now. Or just roll down the windows. I might just blast my music and just put music over the video when I chop it up to sections, because I'm sure you don't want to watch like a whole, like, I don't know, 20, 30 minute ride, just whatever. But yeah, I'll throw some stuff up on the screen, before and after pictures of the alignment. My buddy Josh, who brought my car to Mazda since he's a Mazda tech, he told me that the alignment was so out of whack, it was jacked up, and he has the before and after paperwork to show me. So just unbelievable. I find the entire alignment machine interesting, on how they align the cars and whatnot. So I'm just gonna probably just shut up and just drive and take the back roads. You know, try to find some nice hills or some windy roads. I know a few. So other than that, sit back, relax, enjoy the scenery. This drive would be a lot better if it was like during the fall, October season, when the leaves change, especially when you go north of, like northwest of Hartford, Connecticut. Also, if you go into like New York, up north of New York, it's absolutely beautiful. So, all right, guys, enjoy. And also, my buddy Josh found out that my front diff is leaking, and it's also missing a bolt. That's probably one reason why it's leaking. There's no stop sign, but whatever. I don't feel like those guys killing me. So yeah, so I need my diff to be sealed, torn apart, sealed up. That's a whole day affair. Looking online, saw some YouTube videos. That's quite the process, and I'm sure the Mitsubishi dealership will be charging an arm and a leg for that. So I'm gonna see if I can get my boy Derek to do it for me. Throw him some few bucks. It's gonna be an all-day affair. Rip it apart, seal it, and let it sit. Because I don't think you can seal it and just have me drive out of the garage with it already wet. And I'm gonna buy myself a bolt to put back into the place where it's missing.